Welcome to Bike Future Hub, where we bring you the most detailed reviews of the latest motorcycles. Today, we have something truly exciting for all bike enthusiasts of the 2025 Yamaha FZX 150cc. This neo-retro Streetfighter has been making waves in the market, combining classic design elements with modern technology. Is this bike worth your attention? Let's find out. Right off the bat, the exterior of the Yamaha FZX 150cc commands attention. From the front, the bold LED headlamp with a circular design gives a vintage appeal, while integrated DRLs ensure visibility at all times. The muscular fuel tank complements the robust look, making it a true standout. The upright stance and wide handlebars give it a comfortable yet aggressive posture, appealing to both casual riders and enthusiasts. Moving to the side, the sculpted body panels and premium matte finish colors elevate the aesthetics. The bike maintains a high ground clearance, making it ideal for urban roads and mild off-roading. The alloy wheels with block pattern tires enhance its road presence and provide excellent grip, ensuring confidence while riding. The single-piece seat is well cushioned, offering comfort for both the rider and the pillion. The exhaust design is short and upswept, adding to the sporty character while ensuring a refined exhaust note. At the back, the FZX 150cc sports an LED taillight that maintains the retro theme. The sleek rear fender and grab rail are designed for both practicality and aesthetics. The bike's overall compact yet aggressive design makes it a head-turner on the streets. Under the hood, the 2025 Yamaha FZX 150cc is powered by a refined 149cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. It delivers smooth and linear power, making it suitable for both city rides and highway cruising. The fuel injection system ensures optimal fuel efficiency, while the 5-speed gearbox offers seamless shifts. Yamaha has fine-tuned the engine for better torque distribution, making overtakes effortless and enhancing overall rideability. Performance-wise, this bike offers a balanced mix of power and efficiency. With an estimated mileage of around 45 to 50 km/L, it's one of the most economical options in its class. The suspension setup, featuring telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, provides a comfortable ride even on bumpy roads. The braking system consists of disc brakes on both ends with ABS, ensuring precise and confident stopping power. Handling is sharp, and thanks to its lightweight frame, maneuvering through city traffic feels effortless. As for pricing, the 2025 Yamaha FZX 150cc is expected to be competitively priced, making it an attractive option for riders looking for style, performance, and practicality. While the exact pricing varies by region, it remains an affordable choice compared to similar models in the market. To sum it up, the Yamaha FZX 150cc is a perfect blend of retro charm and modern performance. It's stylish, efficient, and packed with features that cater to both new and experienced riders. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a stylish weekend ride, this bike won't disappoint. That wraps up our review. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Future Hub for more detailed bike reviews. Ride safe and see you in the next video.